met Mike, Gary, Patrick, and Michelle, and we all started working Friday morning. It's really what I'd like to send with all of you is, oh, I can build that. There are going to be some great pieces of furniture. We're going to really trick them out with a lot of really neat elements. Yep, this is going to be a good one. It doesn't seem like you're moving forward, and then those parts start to come together, and this three-dimensional thing, which was once just a thought, it was purely ethereal, purely out there, and then it becomes a three-dimensional real thing here on Earth, made out of parts and pieces. It's just awesome. See, I love this. We got the student becoming the teacher.
But for me to help the other two guys with their tabletop was kind of an honor, and the other guys were looking up to me. It's like, okay, where do we cut this? What do we do? And
Gary's going to be a fine furniture maker someday.
Their people are great. Tim is fantastic to work with, and Will, everyone's great.
Gary is going with copper and leather. This particular one has a really cool brand, and that's a Freeze brand, but I've never seen one that clean.
I think it's a great thing that they do, and it's so much fun. As soon as you walk in, it's like you've known everybody.
My wife's parents owned a restaurant back in the 50s. Her father built this bar.
And I had to cut a piece of that mahogany top, and that's what I brought with me.
I was gonna say, I like cheese.
I did this for us to do something together. Cool stuff.
I actually helped build a piece of furniture that looks like this.
My wife came in and she was able to be one of the instructors. Being able to work with my wife and make this furniture, make this weekend happen is really something else, and it's so gratifying. Moving furniture. Bring the whole truckload over here. So this was mined by Will's grandfather here in Arizona.
Wow.
Honestly, that's pretty special that, we feel honored that he would give some of his heirloom turquoise.
Each time we have this class, it's inspiring to see these people with little to no experience pushing out these fantastic tables, and that I get to be a part of that is really special.
Oh, yes. If we have time, we're gonna just put something together out of scrap wood that really doesn't look very good at all.
Will had a great time taking all those scraps of wood and putting together something really crazy for Mike's wife and making a big reveal. It's part of the fun of the weekend. It's not all work. It's a blast to be here. I'm kind of shocked at how sturdy it is.
It really is. I mean, it does not move.
I mean, it's really terrible. Yeah.
Because she might believe that I could build the crappy one that we show first.
So, here's your altar.
Great job. Where'd it go?
Not it. This is it.
Wow, that turned out really nice. And that's the bar?
Yeah.
Well, I think it's just terrific that Tim and Erica, they bring people right into their home, like you've been friends forever.
Honestly, I am totally blown away. You guys did a good, solid, clean job. You built a fantastic, amazing piece of furniture.
Thank you.
Yes.
How does someone come up with these ideas for these different pieces of furniture? It takes a special talent or a gift.
It's really cool because each piece is completely unique. It's fantastic.
This is not where you come in and you work by yourself. We work together to create extraordinary furniture.
Are just amazing people, honestly.
Yeah. No one is as warm and full of love as Tim is. It's the story is what brings people together. I mean, the furniture is a byproduct of everything. The story is just the incredible part of it.
Even though he doesn't have thumbs, he doesn't have opposing thumbs, his ability to craft furniture is extraordinary. And then I'm using, this is just, start again. This is a slippery paste wax.